Paano nyo binabalance yung work tsaka life? Is there even such a thing as work-life balance?
For me, dati kasi I do believe that there's a difference of
Mm.
work and life. Kaya nga sabi nila pag sobra ng trabaho, sinasabi nga get a life. For you to act to have fun, for you to experience life, you need to work. Kasi yun yung parang yun yung mag-fuel for you to experience life.
It's not about balancing both naman good. We're in a phase na everything can be integrated na.
Those things, integration yung ginagamit nilang term.
Yeah.
So basically, pagsabayin yun na lang.
Yeah.
You know? Pero of course, I feel like there will be other people out there who will think na, I can't.
No.
I can't do that.
Work hard, play hard.
No, diba? It's either or. Do you guys believe in work-life balance ba?
Yes, I do. And sometimes I don't.
Balance.
Balance,
No, I don't. And sometimes I do.
I like that. Well, nakasing ko lang because, especially now, we're actually filming this one on June.
Yeah.
And then June is a very hectic month for us. Almost everyone sa circle namin has some crazy workload.
Crazy.
So, yun lang, like I'm curious whether or not, or paano nyo binabalance yung work tsaka life? Is there even such a thing as work-life balance?
For me, dati kasi I do believe that there's a difference of work and life. Kaya nga sabi nila pag sobra ng trabaho, sinasabi nga get a life. Oh. Kaya
Get a life, bay.
sobrang life rin. Get some work. Yan yung belief ko dati na for you to act to have fun, for you to experience life, you need to work kasi yun yung parang yun yung mag-fuel for you to experience life. Like the norm is trabaho ka para pag gusto mo magbakasyon or to enjoy, may gagamitin kang pera, right, from work. Kaya nga may work-life balance daw and parang di rin burn out. But right now, I believe work is essential. Right? Kailangan natin magtrabaho. The challenge now is how can you create life out of that work? So, di na siya about balance but it's about integration na.
Yeah.
Magtatrabaho ka, at the same time, you're experiencing life. Right? Kasi, let's be real, life is hard. So is work. Diba?
Choose your hard.
So, ano na lang.
Choose both hard.
Choose your heart. Choose both.
Choose both. Yeah, and I agree with that. No, it's not about balancing both naman good. Okay, we're in a phase na everything can be integrated na.
Yeah.
Like, for example, a lot of people go to the beach and enjoy the view, but at the same time, my laptop na dala-dala ako. I do that sometimes. Okay. Integrated naman ng akong work, madala naman ako siya maski asa like online and stuff. Like, for example, the VAs, like virtual assistants, they do it. So, balance ba na siya ang tawag or it's really a part of life, them living their life like that. So for me, it's integration as well. Yes, it's balance in a way na I can do the things that I want, makalaan ko, but at the same time, I have the means and income to do what I want to do with my life.
Interesting. Points of view niya, I actually like those things kasi like, napaisip rin ako because those things, integration yung ginagamit nilang term. So basically, pagsabayin yun na lang.
Yeah.
Pero of course, I feel like there will be other people out there who will think na, I can't do that.
Work hard, play hard.
No, diba? It's either or.
Yeah.
So I think, siguro rin, pwede nyo pawagin or what I've seen it or experienced it is work-life harmony.
Yeah. Or work-life integration.
Yeah. I don't know. Pero the way I see it is like, when you're doing, there will be times na yung work mo yung lalamang.
Yeah.
It will be priority rather than your life. So, meron rin times na life mo yung magiging priority than work.
Yeah.
So, balance, the term balance, at least for me, is parang unachievable.
Yeah.
Kasi
Wala siyang middle.
Yeah, there will never be.
It's like a scale, right? May mas mabigat, may parang di mo priority. Kasi may tao na workaholic.
Yes.
they love working. Working.
That's their
working.
life.
Sila yung sinasabihan na get alive.
Get alive.
Meron ng iba, ayaw mag-work.
Mm.
Because they want to experience life more. They want to go on adventures, have fun. Yan. And I think I know the right term
Ano?
ngayon.
Yeah.
Thank you, coaches, for these insights that you have given me. It's work and play becomes one.
Work
And
and
play
play becomes
one.
one.
Ano yun?
Yeah.
Wordplay.
Yeah.
Or
Wordplay.
Wordplay.
Flork. So, flork lang ng flork.
Blur ka na.
Blur.
Kumubo.
Hashtag blur.
Wait lang ako, sip one.
Coin natin yung term yun. Flirt.
Patented.
Patented by Press Play Pod.
PPP, press play, flork.
This is how we flirt, guys.
Flirt.
Okay.
Okay. We're enjoying too much. Balance ulit.
Balance.
Harmony.
Yes.
Yeah, I like the thought yung sinabi mo that sometimes you have to really work a lot and then sometimes you have to have fun a lot. Naano siya term na ginabalik-balik by our mentors, by our coaches, na kanang you have to pay the price. Ano, diba, usually, you have to pay the price of the life that you want.
Yep.
So a lot of people maybe are somehow nandun sila sa kanang season in their life that they're paying the price still. So that's why they're working so hard.
Yeah.
Like especially yung na-9 to 5 ba. Di mo na pwede mag-beach ka na kailangan nimo mag-time in, time out. Na kanang imuha siyang i-prioritize ang fun. No, you have to work. You have to do that. And not that their work is bad, but they're essential mo good na ay mga work nga nga 9 to 5 na essential to the world. Like the blue collar jobs. The ones that go to the office like every single day. They're essential to the economy. But at the same time, yun nga, do you have the life na after it, after paying the price, did you harvest the price, the reward of it, like after? That's the balance of in the beauty of nature na sometimes kailangan mag-struggle, sometimes not struggle, but sometimes you have to be focused on planting the seed so that you can harvest some in the future. So,
Flork. Para makapag-flork ka.
No,
Yeah.
you have to work
You have to work.
so you can work.
Guys, bandol yun joke.
It is us.
It is us, by the way.
Authentically.
Never just lang kasi napapaisip kami. It's because we will fall into that trap
Yeah.
of work.
The rat race.
Yung rat race talaga in a way na yes, we have to work in order for us to live. Pero we're basically going in circles na in order for us to claim it to live.
Yeah.
Yeah. Akin rin kasi, personally, lugi ka. Kung work ka lang ng work, not unless you really love what you do. Yeah. And this is also to be sensitive for our listeners here na working very hard because for the reason that they're supporting their family or pursuing their dreams, right? This is not to disempower what you have been doing all this time, but this is just also a nudge to remind you, like, outside of you building those dreams, mapapagod ka. That's the reality. No? Mapapagod ka, mababurnout ka, even though you have the right motivation. The reality is, if you continuously work, parang mauubos at mauubos ka. Right? Sabi pa nila, you can't pour from an empty cup. But kung cup mo, ikaw yung cup, pero ang nilalagay mo lang, coffee. Kasi work ka lang ng work. When you pour it out, what comes out? Coffee.
Palpitate.
Diba? Coffee pa rin. So, it goes back to what you're putting inside your cup. Like, what's the essence of work? What's the essence of life? And it's always my parang my guide to myself if I ask myself na so bagid ang work, so bagid ang life for me. It's always the question, how does it look like for me? Like my life. What does it look like for me? Me enjoying my life. It looks like me with my partner, kasal namin.
Bayo ba?
Comment down below. Marami pa lang.
Marami pala. Uy!
Hindi, maraming in love rin.
Sige.
Tapos meron rin, what does work look like? Right? What does work look like? It's me being focused. It's me going all out, going full out on what I'm currently doing. I like recent experience. If you've seen the previous episodes, hindi naman ganito yung boses ko, right? It's because we went to Cagayan de Oro for a few days back. Tapos speaking engagement. Then we got back in Davao, speaking engagement pa rin. Then right now, ito, ano bang ginagawa ko? Speaking pa rin. Right? And the question is this work for me? Yeah, it's work. But is this also, am I also enjoying it? Yes, I'm also enjoying it. It's me filling up my cup pa rin. No? This work is filling up my cup. Tapos, yun lang. Parang, ang naririnig ko kasi, I don't know if napansin nyo rin to sa ibang people, like, you're not working na huwag mo ipagmayabang na nagla-laptop ka sa beach.
Yeah.
Kasi sa beach ka pero naka-laptop ka, what's to be proud of that? Masasabi ko lang, hayaan nyo lang mag-enjoy.
Bote ka.
Kaya surf the web di ba? Saan ka ba mag-surf? Sa beach. Ay, wait lang. Sa beach.
Sa beach.
Di ba? I'm just putting in humor, guys, kasi that's how I see work and play. No, me still enjoying while being true to myself, while doing this, while being at present. Yeah, that's what it is for me.
Yeah, I guess what I'm getting from is to find a work that you really love doing.
Yeah.
Like for example, for me, my work, like speaking engagements too, the reason why sometimes I get so physically tired yun na pag uli ba kay kanang tulog na jud ko dayon kay kapoy kaayo nga the whole day I'm standing, the whole day I'm supporting people, but at the same time I love what I'm doing, so and I get to do it every day. That's work and life balance for me because I love what I do and if you're in a place na kanang ingana ang imong feeling with what you're doing right now, you're very blessed by it.
Yeah, I forgot to mention that. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for allowing me to have this privilege of being tired, doing something that I love. A big question ko lang rin to. And I guess Dread can answer this. I don't know if you have an experience.
Yeah, kasi
right?
iba yung
Ikaw yung grind ng grind.
Kayo hustle dito eh.
Like, what if you're still at the point where you don't get to meet yung life with work yet? Like, you're at the work part pa. So, personally, how do you feel about it? Because there are people here who actually do their work properly or go full out on their work, but they know it's not like my end point. This work is not my forever. No, parang I still want to do things. I still want to pursue this, but it's what I have right now. So, what are your thoughts on that?
My thoughts, kumbaga parang in a way hindi ka man seemingly stuck, right?
Yep.
Hindi ka man talaga stuck. You're just putting yourself in a position that you feel like you're stuck.
Yeah. Kasi that's your current vehicle.
Yeah. Yun yung current vehicle mo. You don't see any other options yet.
Yeah.
To transition in a way na you can integrate fun into your work.
Yeah.
Right? That's why I feel like very important that you seek out knowledge, you seek out communities, seek out other people experiences in which na mag-a-align sa work mo. Kung let's just say hindi naman siya mag-align, I don't know, maybe siguro yung job mo is carpentero ka, right?
Yeah.
And then after that, yung hobby mo is, I don't know, mag-rock climbing.
Hiking.
Mag-hiking, di ba? Wala naman yung, it can't integrate, pero you feel happy doing it na rin kasi.
Yeah.
Or let's just say naman na you can't find that yet.
Yeah.
Hindi naman kasi, di ba, lucky all the time or blessed. Yung first try mo into a new thing is already something that you clicks right away, di ba? Just keep on trying.
Yeah.
Try ka ng ibang hobbies. I don't know, gusto mo mag-draw?
Mm.
Try mo. Gusto mo mag-music? Try mo. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo. Ano mawawala? Yung oras?
Mm.
Sure. Pero, and as we all know, time is the most important talaga na asset. Di na yan mababalik.
Pressure.
Pero, ang maganda doon is that since you keep on trying new things so that ma-unstuck mo yung sarili mo,
Yeah.
it's a very productive waste of time.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Okay lang pa rin.
Okay pa
Di ba?
rin.
Yeah.
And I think what could be a good reframe for that as well is I'm not wasting my time.
I'm learning.
I'm learning and I'm figuring out what helps me get back my time. Di ba? Parang
Buy back your time.
parang okay, ito yung work ko now. Tapos tatalo na naman ako in another work. Tatalo na naman ako in another work. Job hopping, abangan. That's a new episode. Di ba?
Wow.
Tatalon na
Galing
naman in
naman
another
plug
work.
it.
Di ba? Tatalon na naman in another work.
Yeah.
Until you get to find na parang, oh, this is the work that in which I can actually integrate life. I can actually integrate play. So, ang akin lang rin right now is for people who don't know how to actually balance it. Meron kasing alam nila.
Yes.
May iba rin na, work-life balance naririnig ko yan, but I'm clueless. No? How do I actually balance that? No? Sa tingin niyo, what could be a good first step for them to do? Sa mga nagtatrabaho dyan ngayon na nakikinig.
Or baka nanonood kayo doon sa kabilang tab nyo.
Yeah, tas na work is focus.
Sa kabila.
Multitask.
Monitor. Yeah.
TK, what do you think?
Like, how can you start balancing it?
Yeah.
Like, for me, if you're, like, for example, you're stuck, like, let's say stuck in a work that you don't really love doing, find something that you can be grateful for. Why you are there.
Yeah.
Start with that thing na grateful ka. Actually, for me, before, I've been there. Akong work, dili jud siya maka-happy. Maka-happy. Siya maka-happy. Let's say, but it keeps me going. It keeps me going to pursue the things that I really want in life. And I'm grateful because I have work na mag-fuel sa kuha to keep on moving for the life that I want. And maybe start from there.
Ang akin lang rin right now is for people who don't know how to actually balance it. Meron kasing alam nila.
Yes.
May iba rin na work-life balance naririnig ko yan, but I'm clueless. No? How do I actually balance that? No? Sa tingin niyo, what could be a good first step for them to do?
Focus so much with work. Yun in the long run, ma-realize mo, 70 na day ka. You can't get out of it.
You've already, spent a lot of your time just working and just being stuck. And ano pang malala is usually some people don't even know they're stuck.
Yep.
You know?
Because they think it's, this is normal.
Yeah.
Normal na.
Normal sa akin.
Routine na ba? Routine na, good na. Mo man akong ginabuhat every day, so I'm gonna do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow, tomorrow, and then 10 years na day
I don't know. For them na, like I said, normal lang. And then for other people who have never done that type of parang routines, they end up judging.
Yeah.
Na bakit mo to lagi ginagawa? And ito pa usually is I feel like that could trigger a lot of people.
Yeah.
Na yung question is like, ano ba purpose sa mo?
Parang, ba't nandyan ka pa?
Yeah. Exactly. And then it comes off as parang insulting.
Arrogant din masyado.
Arrogant.
Oo.
And then, unfortunately, the person asking doesn't even understand most of the time why they do that.
Yeah.
Kasi di niya na balance.
Yeah. Kaya ako rin, I have so much respect to those people who stick with their work na, so for example, sobrang hirap, but they push through it, parang ginampanan na nila yung work na for how many years, right? So much respect because I know that what they're balancing there is not work in their life, but it's actually work in the life of their loved ones.
People, yeah.
So, napaka-selfless niyo po.
That.
Respect. I love you.
I always say that to teachers. Example, teachers. May episode din na ganyan. I always say that to teachers kasi banang kind yung kids ngayon eh. And for me, teachers are very passionate with their work.
Yep.
Bay na exam, parang uuwi ka, teacher ka pa rin. Kailangan mo mag-check ng grades,
Test
kailangan mo mag-check ng
papers.
papers.
Oh.
Nasa school ka, nasa
Curriculum.
jeep ka, you're a teacher.
Mm.
Hindi siya work lang, but it's their life.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a
bro.
lifestyle.
What's your lifestyle?
The respect
Teacher.
is
I'm a
very
teacher.
high.
Kaya nga, di ba, like, what I'm really understanding din naman from talking to you guys
Yeah.
so far is that if we're able to actually use play and then work together, start to integrate them both, it's actually like a hack.
Yep.
Di ba? Kung i-reframe natin, it's like, it's a hack. So if you wanna keep on working kasi workaholic ka,
Yeah.
do something that you love so much, na obsessed ka.
Yeah.
Now, it's like parang it's feeding off each other. Parang ganito lang.
Cycle siya.
Oh,
Ano parang ano siya, it's already an ecosystem within you.
yes.
Pag napagod ka, balikan mo lang kung bakit ka nagtatrabaho,
Right.
right? And when you go back to why I'm working, it's actually you being reminded of what life is. No, it's not just because of like this is a sacrifice that you're doing for people. Yeah, and again, it's not bad not to think and operate that way. It's just that I'm an advocate of really pursuing what you want in life.
Yep.
Yeah, kasi ano siya eh, we only have one life to live. Ganun. And we can't blame people, we can't blame circumstances sa kung anong nangyayari sa atin ngayon.
Made your
Eh,
choice.
yep, whatever is present right now, it's the result of the balance that did you do. No, it's the result of what work and life look like for you. No, kaya kung pagod na pagod ka, if you see it, the image is work is so much and life is you're barely
Nowhere to
experiencing
be
it.
found.
And maybe, just maybe, kaya hindi mo na-experience kung ano ang life because you haven't asked yourself, what does enjoying life look like for me? No, kasi minsan pag may na-experience na bago yung I know people who's so workaholic that when they get to experience new things, ang linyahan talaga is, meron palang ganito.
Yeah.
Kailan pa to? Right? Uy, grabe, enjoy ako. And ikaw, that if you normally experience it, you feel like, ay, normal? Di ba to normal? Right? Di ba? And that's the beauty there. You know, it's not normal, then help the other guy learn that it's not normal.
Isabay
And
nyo na siya, okay? Isabay nyo na.
yung nagtatrabaho rin, kasi alam nyo na, ba't parang gala ng gala to?
Yeah.
Walang trabaho. Sabihan nyo, parang, okay, this is also the importance of work. Right? Being workaholic is not bad. It's actually a good teacher for people who don't know how to work.
How to work.
Di ba? Because motivation-wise, iba-iba ang motivation.
Correct.
Ng mga tao na trabaho ng trabaho and mga tao na, really just
Gala ng
enjoy
gala.
Gala ng gala. Kakatawa nga minsan eh, parang anong pinagkaiba ng tambay at ng empleyado? Di ba? Oh, wala. Meron pala. Kasi
Parehas naman sila may trabaho.
tambay, walang pera. Empleyado, naubos din ang pera.
Wala rin pera.
Pero, the difference is, si tambay, parang, masaya naman.
Yeah.
Right? Si empleyado, stress.
Yes.
I think it's a good image for knowing what could be balance. What would work-life balance look like. Trabaho pa minsan, tambay pa minsan.
Tambay din minsan.
That's a tip from Press Today podcast.
Be a tambay.
From a
Tambay.
perspective of a tambay. Di ba?
From a former tambay.
Yeah, former tambay. Tambay with a purpose.
Tambay with a purpose.
So if you guys can like give one tip na lang to help people out there to balance their work and then life,
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
would it ikaw, Tige, answer?
Sakuratan ko na. Like if there's one thing that I
One
can say to balance your work and life is to find your why. I guess it all boils down to that. Find your why on why you're doing things. Like for example, for me, my why is to just make people happy. I want to make people happy and feel loved. That's why I get to find opportunities where I get to do that. Then I get the balance of life in work because I love what I'm doing. And if you're clear on why you're doing things, opportunities will come
Yeah.
for you. Yeah, that's for me.
ako my tip is to really explore. This is what I've
That's
learned
good.
from one of the conventions that we've attended. The speaker was John Pagulayan. I think he started this big VA community and group. And I love what he said, that your age up to 30 years old is actually your age to explore. Because work-life balance is not about, it's not about balancing it at the moment. This is what I've learned from him, ha. It's not balancing what's happening at the moment, but it's balancing how you plan out your entire life. Like you decide the years where you work, so that you can play. And how can you decide what work to do if you're just allowing yourself to experience so little?
One thing.
No? So experience a lot of work. Maging komedyante ka. Maging maging karpintero
Right.
na nagra-rock climbing.
Maging guest ka sa podcast.
Mag-guest ka ng podcast. Hanggang sa malaman mo ano yung para, okay, this is what I wanna do.
Yeah.
Right? This is what I wanna do. This is what I wanna pursue because I feel life from it. Yeah. And I think in the coming future, pag andito pa rin ako nakaupo, nakatayo, nagtatrabaho, I can still see myself enjoying my life. Yeah.
Very deep.
Yeah.
I like that.
How about you, bro?
Mag-explore na yan si Dred.
Ako mag-explore.
May explore ka
Kanina,
na.
akala ko sasabihin mo, work. Play. Sabi mo, work.
Flirt.
Naisip ko rin yung
Pangit na.
flirt.
Okay, na-realize ko na ang pangit ng flirt.
Flirt. But I mean, kidding aside, I think for me, how to balance, at least, really go out and talk to people.
Yeah.
Because, para mag-branch off rin sa inyo na
Mm.
you will find out your why by talking to people. Lalo na if you are a person who feel like you're very stuck in that position.
Mm.
You talk to people who know their why, because at least you can model it.
Yeah.
Pwede mong imimic kung ano yan, and then after that, ano ba sa akin? Is this my why?
Mm.
Figure it out.
Figure it out. And then after that, explore. You have to keep on trying. Kasi when you ask those, ano ba ginagawa mo?
Mm.
Maybe I can try that.
Yeah.
Diba? Maybe pwede ko ito gawin. Maybe, gusto ko sumayaw.
Mm.
Sige na, sample.
Anong work ang sumasayaw?
Oh.
Fire dancer.
Di ba? Pwede naman.
You ask people talaga. I feel like curiosity is now kasi parang downplayed na quality.
Yeah.
Kasi I feel like people think na pag lagi tayong tatanong bobo ka, hindi naman.
Mm.
I think there's one quote na I really like. It's like, ask your questions because you're only stupid ones.
Yeah. Ganda nun.
So I was like, just ask. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo kung bobo ka lang naman for 1 second. That's it. You know? Ask.
Yeah. And ito na-realize ko lang just after what you said. After what you said, besides knowing your why, diba, and knowing na, I can be curious, I can actually talk to people, I can actually explore. It's a great way for you to know your who, like kung sino ka talaga. And that could be a great anchor, no? That could be a great anchor on knowing what you really want to pursue in your life. Like, if you know that your who is a doctor,
Kailangan mo mag-aral ng maayos.
kailangan mo mag-aral to become a doctor. Then, at the same time, it saves up the time that you focus on a lot of other things. So, mag-explore ka to know what other people do, tapos i-determine mo na kung sino ka para yung path na iti-take mo going forward in the future. It already has the result that you want on who you want to be, why you want to do it, and parang enjoy the process. Because I think it's there in the process that we get to experience that work-life balance. No, and the result is not the balance, it's actually parang doon siya nangyayari talaga sa process mo na mapunta ka sa result mo. Yeah, you just enjoy.
I want to jump on that na like sabi mo na you'll find your who and then after exploring find your who and then so that you can be clear on the path that you want. Kasi may nasabi din sa akin din that if you want to shortcut that, like for example, you found your who, Ngayon, if gusto mo siyang i-shortcut, find also mentors.
Yeah.
Yung sabi niya kanina, that you can model.
Mm.
And then, shortcut mo na ng life mo eh. Basically, gagawin mo na lang yung ginagawa ng mentor mo. Sundin mo yun siya. If, syempre naman, find a mentor na nandun yung results na gusto mo rin.
Mm.
With the work that maybe you want a mentor that's balancing life na gumagala-gala but at the same time earning enough to provide
Yep.
for the family, to build the life that they want. Maybe you want a mentor na monk, na minimalist, or maybe gusto mo ng mentor na maraming abs. Syempre, masu-shortcut mo
Mhm.
yun kasi
Tama.
they've done they have paid the price.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ikaw, naka-voucher ka na.
Voucher ka
Oo.
na. Bro,
Discount
Plort.
Yeah.
clerks.
Voucher mo, Plort. Diretso ka na doon.
At the end pa rin, we're still
Ah.
using. Pero, damn, grabe yung ano. Actually, like, we're closing already, but there's so much learning pa.
Yeah.
And if
Kulang.
there's so much more time na pwede namin i-spend, we can just keep on talking here. But of course,
Yeah.
you respect your time kasi kailangan yung balance yung work life nyo eh. So,
Baka hindi ka na nagtatrabaho dyan.
baka di ka na nag-work.
Yes.
Baka, you're watching too much of Press Play podcast na you're not living your life. So,
Huwag kang
yun lang.
tamad.
Wag kang tatapos.
Go out. Live your life.
Touch some grass na kumbaga, touch some concrete. I don't know.
Yeah.
So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you feel like you've learned a lot from this, comment, tag your friends here. So baka meron silang thoughts about sa work-life balance.
Yung mga parating nag-work, mga parating nagla-life.
Nagla-life.
Parating naglalaro lang. Tag nyo sila.
Baka may gusto kayong paringgan.
Yes.
Pwede.
No.
And after all that, guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to keep on pressing play.
Play.